Introducing the WePub 3 publishing format. WePub 3 is an advanced interactive technology, a completely new kind of ebook that becomes a living, breathing experience. Not just a typical book or ebook, but an ebook where the content itself is primarily contributed by the readers themselves. Here's an example WePub 3 publication. This is the cover of a WePub 3 book inside a standard ebook reader. If I click on the cover of this book, I'm taken to the table of contents page where I can see the chapters of the book and that each chapter contains a discussion. I'm going to click on Chapter 2. Chapter 2 of this book has a title, has a moderator, has an introductory paragraph, and down here at the bottom of this page it says, contribute your own ideas and comments. If I click on this link, it takes me to the next page in this Chapter 2. And in the next page, what I'll see is that there is an interactive conversation taking place, a brainstorm. The moderator has asked this question: what is the single best alternative to foreign oil dependency? And the moderator has also provided a description about the conversation that's taking place. And down below here, I can see that other readers have contributed their own response to the question. If I like one of these responses, I can click on the Vote button and register my vote. If I haven't participated in a conversation like this before, it'll ask me to log in. It's easy to log in using a Facebook or Google credential. Now that I'm logged in, I can scroll down and see that my vote has been recorded for this first response. I also now see the different votes, the number of votes that have been placed by the different people in the community. And this is the top response so far because it has 21 votes. If I want to write my own response, I can enter that in this space here and then post it. Down below now I can see that my vote has been moved from this top response here to my own response down below, which now has 1 vote, and that's why it's down below. It has the least number of votes. If I'm excited about this conversation and want to share it with my friends, that's easy too. I just click on the share link and choose the way that I want to share. In this case, I think I'll use Facebook. Now it brings up the standard Facebook link sharing window, and I can write a message that my friends can read. I'd love your input on this question. It's a great subject and your opinion matters to me. And then just click share the link. And now that's been posted on my Facebook wall. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to close this down and see my Facebook wall now has this link on it where I said I'd love your opinion on this question. So any one of my friends can now click on this link and be brought to the same question that I was just looking at. But now they see it in their browser instead of the ebook reader. And they can participate just like I did, and they can also share just like I did. WePub 3 provides a groundbreaking interactivity in a new publishing standard. It's not a website, not a blog, or a social network. It's a book, but it's alive and continually growing, expanding and deepening as the readers continue to provide the content. WePub 3 can be adapted to any industry and any subject matter. The only limits are the imagination.